Hello and welcome to Walkthrough with Nacho. This is Nacho Yanez with Homes Chula Vista, and today we are in Poway at Poinsettia Mobile Home Park. So it's an all ages park, and the address that we have is 13979 Azealia Avenue, space 106. So the home for sale that I'm going to show is that one that you're seeing that just really looks, the outside looks really nice, like a barn. So as you can see, this is a very nice quiet area. We're right across the clubhouse, and if you have kids or so, there's a playground right here, and you can see the pools right behind it. Very well maintained, very quiet, and affordable. I mean, the rent of the space in this park is $1,150, which for the prices in San Diego County, that's not bad at all. All right. So I just want to show you the outside because it's really good, very nice area. And well, let's come on in. This is the home. All right. So the home is 840 square feet. It's from 1985. Okay. And the outside is really good. As you can see, the first thing is look at those sliding doors. They're brand new. And all the windows have been replaced. And they are new as well. See, we are here. This is like the dining and living room area. And this home has a split plan. So it's 2 bedrooms and 1.5 bathroom. One of the bedrooms is at the front of the home. As you see, it has laminated floors in here. You see some very nice windows, with light from the outside. And so this is the half bathroom. Okay. And it has its closets. Okay. So if you continue, this area is the kitchen. It's quite an open plan, and of course, this has a lot of potential. You can redecorate or put the kitchen, and renovate it or put it the way you want it. It includes, as you can see, there's a dishwasher, there's a stove. Okay, in this case, you have room for the refrigerator, which is not included. Okay, and again here you see the double pane windows, pretty new. So let me turn around to show you. All in all, it gives a pretty good space. Also, it has a lot of flow, and it has actually a back patio here, which is really nice. This is a deck with red wood and is in very good shape. And you see, you got privacy with the neighbors. It has a shed. It has some good space here, and you see this fresh painting outside. Okay. And let's go see the full bathroom and the other room. Okay. So, like I say, probably there's a couple of soft spots on the floor, and obviously there's a bit of cosmetic things that you may want to change. But the bones of this home, and especially the area, is very good. Okay. This is the laundry area, and the washer and dryer are also included. Okay, it has an exit to another deck in here, and the carport, but we'll look at that later. Right. So here is the full bathroom. As you can see, it's quite spacious. It's at the bathtub and with shower as well, and the toilet, and with windows. Has some cabinet space here, and this is the vanity. And again, you have here, you may want to put your own style or paint or do any cosmetics things that you want to do. If you see those grids, this home has forced air and a running furnace, so for the winter, and so you're covered. Okay, this is the other bedroom. You could say, which one is the master bedroom? Probably the other one, because it has the half bathroom, and Here you have the closet. Again, brand new window here. And it's nice. Again, this has a small soft spot in there, but so it requires some TLC on the floors. But other than that, it has huge potential. And there's not many homes in this area in Poway. And Poway is a really, really nice area in a very nice all ages park. Okay, so let me show you the other back patio, because it's like this is even bigger than, so it has back patios on both sides. There, as you can see, if you have pets, that's perfect, or you can have your plants as well. You know, it's already tiled, so very low maintenance on this. And you also have a little bit of a space right at the back of the home as well, if you want to, I don't know, use it for anything. And you see the view of the deck right here. That's very nice, just to come out and sit around and so. And last, there's a carport with has capacity for 2 cars, and or okay, if they're not both of them too big, you can fit 2 in here. Alrighty, and again, look at those windows. It looks really, really nice. All right, so let's recap. So we are in Poway, okay? The street is 13979 Azalea, is a space 106, and this is a mobile home from 1985. The size is 840 square feet, all right? The rent of a space is 1150, and this is an all ages park. 2 bedrooms, one and a half bathroom, and the price, well, I'll put that in the comments. Okay, so you will see that. So, well, I think that's all for today. If you have any questions or any comments, will be there in the down here on as usually on my videos. If you like it, follow us or subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and follow us. And see you in the next one. All right. Thank you. Bye.